mokolira kachi koli biyo byoba
ale mangae mwana bwe mukakatebyo
Jumuri wita seni Kyandizi TV nindino kwegena bunari tukuria gondi gendrete koba ligiana kwaliganirie editunyale kwemanya amangana magia sinchera yobenge editariane Dorcas kemomana ni goto gochikobwaterana nere Petra Mokeira oyo kwene kingamalugi nichibicha agoikere sinchera yoboikerano ni gocheragire chinsa ikomi chabano maragoba chitariki ni komi omotinyo gatana kabere umwaka bwechiri bibire ne 2024 nabogo tubwate wetera sinchera mechanda asense media Facebook watunyarabuna Ndizi TV News Digital kwa YouTube na utarabuna Ndizi TV News na boigo website tunyarabuna www.ndizitv.net. Abamenye kurase bunge ya South Mugirango ane kurase ekinyoro kya nyakeboreire imeje wode ya boikangani gobono besokire na kwemurunganiria omo bunge bwensemo eyo Silvana Sosoro ase ogwaka ekura oche ase omosadoria bogosira chibesabo mwaka wechiribwebere ne 2024 chiribwebe 2025 ase boigo mosado yoba kugotuguterware na amora yobwense asabeteta osasa tabete ese maiga yabasabe kigorigia genzi kwemurunganiria ase okorobekana ningobono bamuganirie osoro oika ase ensemeyo na boigo kubasaba okwabira
Silvano Sosoro toko motebinga nere buyachi cyase egwodi yabwikanga asabe amabera sengenja saineti finance bill
iko twari kuborio mwesimi wosoro andonsi asore twasabirenga osaba amabera gochase ebichana bya South Mugirango egekogera South Mugirango ne gwanjete lakini ngwakoreta mamoja singenchi okora mistake yo gwaka omuswato libwe chibesa ugaeta nabo twari gusabana naki ntwe twari gusaba ochiche otosaba amabera na mabera akiro gwato sabire elinde tonyara ko batuko kwabera tosuke mutwe igo nabo twari gusabanga mwesimiwa andonsi asore nabo twari gusabanga ebirengereri byao obibeke gochase abaikanga elinde banyara ko bakonyora amatunda igo ngano ine tibeti kwabete gogototebia eye kwatakeire kuyagachaga iga nabo twari gusabanga uyagache elinde nonye nebichana binyore egasibira nyara ko babikokora egekora yabeire ngaki entambe kurugwato tebetinga ngochora singenchi yoko yarosia yabeire ekoire gekege tambe tanya korosibwa igona otware gusabanga omwesimi woito ochichega iga oikanga osaba amabera elinde tunyara ko batugusuka guchibusyo aina aro toganetie muna ba South Mugirango asingencho yogokora emeremo elinde tusuka
Aborokia bali babete bakora amatemo abo yekirasi 12 omwaka oeta beskuru iye secondary ya Rigoko LCK yo gotuka ase bunge ya Burabu nigo litukolia lero banyolera ebiegwa ao ase bagokera ebiegwa ebyo nabo igo gosegetwa litukolia lero ase igo baboliwa chingaki bagochikogenda chi university babe bakobeka omokia nabo igo kwenekinga ngosegeta bale ase ebirasi ebibike linde kobeka omokia ase chisemi
ibi dena kwa nbyale amanara semi abana baitu let us stop taking cars to our homes na waambia tunachukua tutaramiwa, we will be cast and we will see the result. Let me tell you, kama ngina umonate nega tena jaja ndiye jaga na rebels akiyokole okole amaliga higa aina wata na toko ngene kasi ne mwalimu taka no medio kindly. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm telling you as one of the elder. I was very happy. I told Dr. Lawana, some doctor in. Because we missed about me, my doctor.
Oborendi nigo barokanire koba insekima ase county ya Kisii ayamaiga yabantu babiri bagosaganwa na goitwa ase chinsemo ase amatukabwango iga nigo abantu batamanyekane baba bakumusagana omongina oyo mwase chinsemo cha Kyogoro oyo boigo babete bagosagana kale no mwana ye amumura ase bono omongino yo abete kagosiria obugima bwaye ase okokagura kubetobetwa emenyo nabantu abo batamanyekane goikaboniga asibono abamenye benseme yo baborire serikali kwene kingango timire obolemo oborendi ase chinsemo echo naboigo kuboria serikali kwene kingango bwatokere egari eyocha ase egetuo kyabanyanyimbo kya Kyogoro eliyo gokonya ase okobeka oborendi gose chingaki bagwaka patroli ase chinsemo echo
Osubatie ke busitanya goitwa enyiborero tanya goitwa naende abana baitu barega bejipigipigi mbasumbogete abantu ngo bakira baba arash security is not all good tutagete abantu bako patrol chia ready kwa bugeta kwa tebete na patrol korekane maximum no nya catchment ya Kyogoro station ere ntambe yige tabaka minyikwa asomwe bwensi bokobe yango torole patroli egokorekana burundu
para makobitu muntu muyo obongo bwa embare ngi ezo konye busana abana bagyute nya so bakungaina igo nje narwe honyo naki 21 days igongo jamma paresia abantu ga omusigari yarwaye agende tore toro abantu barakorega asiekene ndoko na kuligerira tone ko sumbuke myaka yose ingitwarwanete bitigara polisi itwarwanete tojorza cyuri
Togotigana nayo nagoska mote nigo maseneta ku county ya Kisii Richard Onyonka nigo oboigo bagendrete ko neki agosego kora obotuke elyo komanya emeroberio ekobwatikwa ase okoligeria abakenya emeremo ase chinse chesiko nigo bagani mubwaziri wamangana ke chinse chesiko Musalia Mudavadi kobairera ase oboikirano naki naki bakora gosemeroberi kibakobeka nabigo amachiko ali abone kubwatiwa chingaki abakenya bagokora emerimo ase chinse chisikona anene kwaneki buna abange bose ase bamuboria kwerera naki abakenya bange babaire bakoetera emechando ase chinse cho chisikona boigo ase ki egetambukero getanya kwimukirwa wikira boniga.
Kwanza mimi nashukuru Mungu sana kwa mwelekeo ambao tumechukua kama taifa na kwa kule kuja pamoja kwa viongozi wetu. Ukweli ni kwamba kila taifa ni la Mungu na kuna vile Mungu anapeana mwelekeo. Kwa hiyo nishukuru sana. Tuliona mambo yaliyotokea na lazima kuwe na hatua za kuchukuliwa ndio watu waweze kuishi pamoja bila kuchali miaka au generation fulani. Kwa sababu taifa hili la Kenya ni letu sisi wote. Generation Z na sisi wengine ambao tulizaliwa mapema kidogo na wale wazee wetu waliozaliwa mapema. Na ukweli ni kwamba siwezi nikachangia sana lakini kwa wazee kuna hekima. Kuna hekima. Kwa hiyo kuja kwa pamoja kwa mheshimiwa rais na mheshimiwa former prime minister na viongozi wengine ni kitu kizuri, na walipokuja pamoja walikuja pamoja kusema kwamba kutakuwa na kuja pamoja kwa makundi yote. Ndio maana nimesikia kwamba kuna jopo litafanywa la watu 150 na vijana 50. Ila kile ningependa kusema tu kwa mheshimiwa rais na viongozi wengine kwa lile jopo, kwa wale vijana watakaohusishwa pale, nilisikia mheshimiwa akisema kwamba kila mtu atasimamia costs zake. Nasema tu vijana wanasema hawana kazi. Kwa hiyo lazima sisi ambao tulizaliwa mapema kidogo tuhakikishe kwamba maisha yao yamekuwa bora na taifa la Kenya litakuwa bora. Na nizungumze pia kwa vijana wetu kwa nafasi hii kwamba sisi pia ni Wakenya, wao pia ni Wakenya. Sisi ndio tumewazaa wengine na tumewazaa tukijua kwamba tumezaa Wakenya wengine. Na kwa hiyo tunachotaka kuangalia sana ni kwamba taifa la Kenya lipaki kuwa kitu kimoja. Pamoja na kwamba kuna mambo mengine tumefanya kimakosa, wale maybe wao tulizaliwa mapema, lakini taifa hili limekuja kwa amani. Na mimi ningependa sana kuona kwamba kuishi kwetu kwenda hapo mbeleni kuwe kwa amani na tuishi kama mtu mmoja, kusiwe na maafa ama
Mwancho murigiria oroboti rwa rurembeo ni horo ya ebirengere kurasa baraibechi kanisa imiye kaunti ya Kisii asebono bakwanire igoro gose bakura ebirengere byabo igoro ya amagendero asensito ya Kenya anene kubwatikana nemechando aho yabereke gwegocha asensito ya Kenya igoro bwatikana nogo konga kubugima asebono morandi abuye kanisa ya Gospel Embassy Peter Murabe bono abeire gakuboria abakenya kwene kinganko bwatanira bane boyigo kuboria morai bwense amone serikali yaye kwene kinganko chabale amona kubwatirana amona abakenya bande elio kwene ki buna babeire bago kwanira akurwa neryogi elimo elio kwene kinga bairire motwe enseto ya Kenya nabayigo tugotikana nayo nagosika motwe mwancho murigana nigo ritukolya rero omo waziri bwamangana yechinse cheisiko Saliam Davadi aika ase bosubeke committee ye senate elietenete amangana ya chinse chisiko seyo amangana ya abakole mirimo ba Kenya se chinse chisiko sebono bamuboria imbirengo kigo sembitengo ki birivoyenete kubwati gwachinga ki abakenya bakora emirimo ase chinse chisiko naboyigo naseki abakenya babeire bagochandikira ase chinse chisiko naboyigo getambukiro getaremo kiwa goikera boniga.
One thing that has shocked me, Madam Speaker, is that the things that we were talking 10 years ago, it looks like nothing actually did happen. So I would like to ask the Minister to tell me that out of all the bilateral labor agreements that you've signed with the countries that you've signed, the question I wanted to ask you is whether you are proactively, and if indeed, as you say, that these agreements are going to deliver some fruits, whether you are proactively engaging yourself in preparation to make it possible that when these people are able, our people are able to go and get these jobs, they could be handled and managed in settling in and what needs to be done, and whether the minister is aware that the reason why the labor contracting agreements in our country and the reason why our people keep suffering out there once they go to those countries to work is because most of those agreements are actually hidden. Nobody knows what actually is written in there. Nobody understands what the terms and conditions are. So I'm hoping that when the minister has signed those agreements, he will enable the Labour Committee of the Senate to interrogate that agreement and make sure that we are able to understand what is in it and what we have gained, and if any, what the
Chinga kichwa ni go Saliam Davadi aikirana ase bunge yu sase committee yo borendi ase bunge yu ya senate ase airaneria amaborio ajuabaga kuboliwa igoro yo borendi bwa Kenya bali bakora achigasi ase chinse chisuko ase ne kibuna oborendi imbole asekera egesako ebyo bikonyora amabaga ase chinse chisuko oigo niga aina kibuna nigo arachikolenta omoswada bosyo bwebunge ejubono orachiwo ko kumolekera ogona gosemya abantu igoro yamachiko nemeroberio ase chinse cheisiko.
One of the things we want to pursue in government and even in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs is an open government policy. By open government policy means that we do not intend to hide any information. We want to share information with Kenyans. They're entitled to it. And therefore, when we conclude any MOUs, they shall not be hidden, they shall be made available to the relevant committees of Parliament. And as I said, Madam Speaker, is that one of the things we are also planning to do, to bring before Parliament is a sessional paper to have our members deliberate and guide appropriately on Kenya's foreign policy, foreign and diaspora policy. Because all along, this has been confined to the executive, documents are confined to the executive. We want, for the first time, a comprehensive discussion on Kenya's foreign policy and some of these issues. I'm sure we will benefit, that document will benefit immensely or be enriched immensely from the wisdom of Parliament. The second thing that I want to emphasize is that these recruitments have been largely private sector driven. They have not been government driven, but the government will not entertain an ethnic driven arrangement when getting
aboro kia kora kose abor kuetera ase ekiombe kia abor kia kupet nigo bagende tukwe murungalia kubatkana anobokoralie obube ase chikadi chabo wenya echibono batebirana chegoikira boniga chitariko ba agose chitari kora emirimo una eganire ase boigo abatina nigo babeire bakurikira ekiombe gyo kubarika abali mu kyatesi amarube kolende goikira boniga tibaranyora obokonye ase bono baganiria serikali kwena kingankuligeria bale enganeyo eriko bakonya ase chikadi chabo eri banyore obogwenya chinga kichiri baganitie obokonye.
Let them reinstate the budget so that the teachers can administer exams and of course mark the exams. Otherwise, that is a statement today we are delivering to you. Yes, we have written severally to the Teacher Service Commission of the wanting nature of the medical cover. In fact, we have been grappling with the issues of co-pay, the issues of delays, the issues of generic medicine. But as we were coming out of this, now the entire scheme has collapsed. And so we are asking the government and the Teacher Service Commission to move with speed because teachers are suffering. So we have written to them. We have told them, because you are the ones who signed this contract with Minute, you must, as parties, you must prevail upon them to ensure that teachers are treated on time so that they can go back to schools to deliver service to our children.
Abasaikorase kaunti ya Homa Bay nigo baira okoboko omorai wekia makia ODM Raila Odinga ase okobwatana na boigo kora chinkwana no morai wense ase boigo atene tambokerekyo kyogotwara chinkwana no morai wense ingechigokonya anene ase maganyo ali abakenya baganete ase kerini gobono baruringa oroboti rolirwa na dikolo abete eroko korwa ase amagacho abomase ase amatuko aetire nigobono rachi goikiraniwa ase ensecho ya Kenya na boigo amaonjolia ajuagane iriego korekana na iga arachi ogoikirana.
Our one and only Raila Amolo Odinga went for handshake. I want to explain this to the nation to get this. We have to understand the term NADCO. We have to understand the word NADCO and we have to analyze everything. Raila went there at KICC to append his signatures due to life that we are undergoing as GNCs in Homa Bay, not even in Homa Bay alone, but at large in the country.
The move he made yesterday to bring dialogue among the warring parties, we are very much in support of him, and we will always support him because we know what he stands for and what we stand for. We are in the same voice with him.
We as the Gens team, Kenya nzima, we should embrace a dialogue between us and the government. For me, I think that is the only way that our grievances should be heard. Most of us, we've lost our life. Some of us are not here with us. Sindio? Yeah. They are in hospital. Sindio? Yeah. Others also passed away. Sindio? Sindio? And that is the only way the government can listen for us. Sindio? Yeah. If not that, there is no other.
Mwancho murigeria aya tuikire aiga semesetu ya mangana magia nigo agotebekana abarokiwa abosbe skuru ya obobundi ya Borabu Technical Institute nigo iyo gotoka chitsamo cha Kiabonyoru Nyamira County nigo bagendete nukorobekana kubwatikana na oborindi bwabeire bogosereka ase chinsemo echo aya maiga yukagerwa kwa abantu abo baekorebe konete koba abanyanyimbo goika ase chinsemo cha abana abo baringe ase chinyumba chibamenyete nako batibonga abana bona boiga abandi gutigerwa chingoma ase bono baborire serikali kwene kingango tingiyere chi oborindi ase ensemeyo anase abaroki wabo bamenyete ase chinyumba chogo komboiwa nigo bono bagendrete no kurobekana ko ase kubwatikana nemechandeyo iyo borindi babeire bagwitera ase chinsemecho cha Kiabonyoru goseche eskure yo ya Borabu Technical Institute iyo gotoka ase county ya Nyamira ensemo ya Kiabonyoru aiga nongo ikiria omwerio bwa mangana magia senchera yo wenge kolende orbotiuru amona yanda mange ndogendete gokwareganeria asura chikonyanyora senchera yo bwikirano chikoraga ensa eyemo ya bono maragoba ereterane Dorcas Kemuma ani gotobwatirana nere Petra mokeira oyone kinga maligine chibicha awikire asenchera yo bwikirano